Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be figuring out how much I'm going to be taking out of the bank for this week's envelopes and my sinking funds and my savings challenges and all of that. So I have a total of $634 that I plan on taking out, and I'm going to figure out what's going to go into each category in this video. Also, I'm going to unstuff my envelopes because I did some purchases and I had to use my card for some of them. Also, I took my card to get maintenance done, so I have to take out all the money, practically all the money that I saved to pay for that, to put it back on my card because I used my card to make that payment. So I think I'm gonna do my wallet first because I actually have some envelopes in here that I need to get out. And actually, I also want to get all this change out too because I have so much change. Okay, so alright, so all this, I'm just collecting it. Eventually I'm gonna roll it and take it to the bank. But for now, just collecting it all in this little bin. Once it gets full, I'll deal with it then. Okay, so that is good to go. Alright, and then these I will fill with their normal amounts. I usually do the same amounts for these. So actually we'll write those down here. So for spending, I am going to do 30, and that's a 20 and a 10. For groceries, I am going to do 100, 250s. I also have receipts that I need to scan. Eating out is 30, 20 and a 10. Coffee, I actually only reloaded my card once, so I have $10 left, which I'm shocked by that. But I'm going to put 20 in there, and that's going to be 2 10s. And then buffer, I do 10. I actually want to do, no, the 5 and the 1 5 and then the 5 1s has been working out pretty well. All right. So those are that's my wallet. And then I have these that I stuck in the back. These were envelopes that I took out because I kind of spent from them this week. I have Disney, since I went to Disney this week. I also took clothing. I actually bought a sweater at Disney. I'm actually wearing it right now. And so I used that one. Family, went to the movies, so I had to take that one out. Had to buy some stuff for the household. And then also went to Target and spent some from there. So I'm going to put these back into these envelopes here. But first, let me do one more thing. I actually need to... Okay, so I have all this money back here I need to take to the bank. I have, let's see, 50, 70, 90, 110. I believe this money was, actually I can't even remember what I spent from it. Because I had to do mobile orders at Disney, so it was money from Disney that I took out of here. And then also there was something else. Oh, I made my extra debt payment, so that's what this is. So I have to take that back to the bank. So I just stick it in here because I plan on taking that also to the bank. And then I actually need to get some other money. I'm going to go through these first. So for content, I actually spent out of this one, and I used my card. So I did 30, 20, or 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to pull 30 and take that to the bank. Okay. And then the other one I need to get out is, and this one, it's all of the auto one. So I actually thought that my maintenance was going to be like a lot, like way more than it was. I actually had enough saved in here, which is really amazing. So I was able to just use this money, which is great. So I think in here I have $340. So I ended up spending about $330. So I'm just gonna leave $10 in here, and all of this is gonna go back to the bank too. Lots of money going back to the bank. All right, so this will go back in here to save for the next oil change probably that will be coming up. All right, so that is, I think that's everything that I need. Okay, so all this, I'm just gonna stick back here, take that back to the bank. Okay. That is it for this wallet. That is all done. So I'm gonna go into here, into these. I'm actually gonna put these, I listed these out in order, so I kind of want to get these back in order before I start figuring out the amount of money I'm gonna be putting into these, so let me do that. All right, everything is back in order, so that is good to go. So I'm gonna put 634, and this is 190, so minus 190. So I have 444 left to figure out how I'm going to put into all of these categories. Okay, so let me go down the line. Let's see. Actually, I also like to look at I have like little trackers to let me know how much I already have in here. So in here I have 140, so I think I'm going to do 20 in here. Auto repair. I don't have to be as heavy on this one anymore, so that's good. So I'm just gonna do 15. Okay, minus. Okay, furniture. I think 20 for that one. Gifts, let's see, I have in here 60, and Mother's Day is coming up, so I'm gonna do 15. Okay, holiday decor is gonna get 5. Christmas is going to get 15. Registration, 5. Okay, and okay, I'll do that later, my taxes. Okay, so that's it for that one. Then this one, beauty. I feel like beauty has a lot, but I plan on buying something soon with this, so I'm gonna do 15. So that's 15. Household is going to get, okay, I've been spending a good amount from here, so I think I'm gonna do 30. Target only has 16. I actually bought some new like containers for the fridge for like food storage, so I spent a good amount there. It was like $34 for that. But I'm gonna do for this one, I will do 15 for that one. Family, okay, this one's another one I've been spending a lot from. I'm gonna do 40 in family because I know we're going to the movies. I think we're going to the movies. I'm not quite sure. We'll see. Disney, I'm not going for another month, but I still want to start stuffing this a good amount, so we'll do 15. That's my parking. I have 20 left, so 15 will cover parking for that day. Content, I spent some money from here, so let's do 10. Clothing, I spent money from here too, so I'm gonna do 20. And home decor is going to get 10. Planner stuff is going to get 10. And what's this one? Okay, that's the rat one. All right, I have a couple more in here. Treat yourself is going to get 30. extra debt. I'm gonna wait on extra debt to fill that one in after I figured out all this other stuff. Go Wild is going to get 30. Okay. Oh wait, I think I missed one. I had extra debt. Oh, where did my extra debt one go? I think I skipped it. Okay. I think I have to make another envelope for it. Oh, it's right here. I think this is it. Okay. I thought I was missing an envelope. All right, so Costco. I missed Costco. So I got a good tip from somebody in the comments saying to take the money, the leftover money I have in groceries, which I actually have, I think I have $5 or something. I have some money, but I'm gonna stick a little bit, I'm gonna stick that in the Costco envelope, but also I'm gonna add in, I'm gonna do 15. Okay. Let's go out. The 52-week challenge is 15. So I'm gonna do 15 for here. And my roll the dice, I am doing 18 here. All right, so I have $76 left. So I think, okay, let me see what I have for the envelope challenge. Because I think I want to do 50 in debt. And that'll leave 26, which I haven't done 26 yet. So I get to do 26, or I'm sure I'll have extra money I can add in here from my wallet. I think. Actually, I'll just do 26 into the 100 envelope challenge. Okay, and I think, I'm gonna double check this, but I think that is gonna be 634. Yes, okay, so I double checked everything. It is 634, so I'm good with that. So now I can figure out the denominations over here. So electronics is 20, so that's just gonna be 120. And then auto repair is a 10 and a 5. Furniture is a 20. Gifts is a 10 and a 5. Holiday decor is 5. Christmas, 10 and a 5. Registration, 5. Beauty, 10 and 5. Household is 30, so that's 20 and a 10. Target is 10 and a 5. Family is 2 20s. Disney is 10 and a 5. Content is 10. Clothing is 20. Home decor is 10. Planner stuff, 10. Extra debt is just a 50. Treat yourself is 20 and a 10. Costco is 15. 10 and a 5. Go Wild is 30. 20 and a 10. 52 week is 15. Roll the dice is 18, so 10, 15, and 3 ones. And then savings is 26, so that's 120, 5, and a 1. Okay, I think that is correct. Cool, and then I'm just gonna double check because I think planner stuff. Oh my gosh. I thought I was like missing an envelope, but I actually made one of these. I was like, I was so confused. I forgot I made one like that. I just got more of the matte laminating pouches. So I'm gonna be making more of these for myself. So yeah, excited for that. I just had a feeling, I was like, wait, did I make that already? And then it kind of just came to my head. All right, so the 50s, I'm gonna have 3. Then 20s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then 1s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's $9 there. 13 times 5 is what? 65, 190, 220. Yeah, 220. And then, oh, 150. Yeah. Okay, so let me just add this up really quick. Hopefully that matches. 150 plus 220 plus 190, 65 and 9, 634. Yep. Okay, so those are the denominations that I plan on getting. Although I do have all this cash here. So I could like basically use this money and just not pull some money out. I think that's what I plan on doing because I have I have the 350s here. So I don't need those. And then let's see how many 20s I have. I might just have to only pull out a little bit, which will be nice. All right, so 20s, I need 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I just need 111. Okay, 10s, have a few 10s. 10, 20, 30. So I'll still need like 16 10s. I do have quite a bit of 5s though. So I think I could probably manage with this. 5, 10, 15, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have enough 5s. So this will go back to the bank essentially, and then I just need 9. So I need a few. I just need a few denominations from the bank, since I'll just take this and I'll just leave the money that I was planning on taking out. That'll cover what I was planning on putting back in, I'm sure that makes sense. But yeah, that's what I plan on doing, just again so I don't have to take out as much. Just be a little bit of an easier withdrawal when I go to the bank, which will be nice because sometimes when I pull out a lot of money, it gets a little confusing for the tellers. So yeah, it'll be a little simpler transaction, which would be nice. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. So stay tuned for my cash stuffing video, which will be coming up. And I think I might have to do a condensing because this thing is thick. I don't know how much more I can fit in here after I do this stuffing. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.